Hello students, today we will uh, going to read chapter 7 getting to know plants. Okay, in we had discussed about this chapter on Google Meet. Here we will see only summary of this chapter. So first thing, we know that there are three types of plants are categorized in three category: herb, shrubs and trees. Okay, there are three categories: herbs, shrubs and trees. Herbs, uh, herbs are very small, okay, very small uh, plants, and their other structures grow from at the very low level of the plant, and it is very soft, it has very soft stem. Okay, shrubs are also a small plant, it has a woody stem and bushy plant. Okay, tree tree is very tall, very big plant are called tree, we know that. Okay, the other category is climbers and creepers. Climbers means a plant that need to support to grow, to climb up. They cannot grow, stand upright by themselves, so they need support to climb up. Okay, and creepers, plants with weak stem that cannot stand upright and spread on the ground are called creepers. Okay, so there are two types of two categories are found. One is herb, shrub and trees, second is climbers and creepers. Okay, next next is stem. Next we will see the different parts of the plants and what is its work. First is stem. Okay, stem is we know that what is stem, and stem hold the plants to the ground and it's make the plant upright stand, and also it absorb water and minerals from, take a water and minerals from root and conduct it to the different parts of the plant, and also take the food from leaves and conduct it to different parts of the plant. Okay, this is the work of the stem. Next is leaf. Okay, we all know that leaf is uh, we all know that leaf is mostly green in color. Okay, one and the part which are attached to the stem is called petiole. Okay, the broad part of the leaf is called lamina. This part is called leaf blade, and on the leaf there are structures as found is called veins and venation. Okay, the one line divides the leaf into equal part, this is called main veins. Okay, so as we know that leaf is called kitchen of the plant because leaf prepare food by the photosynthesis. Okay, this is called midrib. Okay, and this is called venation. One thing, and some there are two type of the leaf venation. One is if the leaf has, there is a leaf. Okay, this is a leaf. Okay, okay, this is called petiole. Okay, this is called leaf blade. Okay, this is called lamina. Okay, this is called lamina, and this design on the and this line is called midrib. Okay, and this is called veins. Okay, this is called veins, and the design of the veins, the pattern of the veins are called leaf venation. What is it called? Leaf venation. It is called leaf venation. Okay, and there are two type of leaf venation. This type, the pattern of the this, okay, it is called reticulate venation, which you are seeing in the diagram is, it is the called reticulate venation. It is reticulate venation. And have you seen in grass, in the grass there are this type of venation are found. Okay, veins are in this pattern. Okay, so it is called parallel, it is called parallel venation. Okay, this is called parallel venation. There are two type of venation, reticulate and parallel. Okay, and one more thing, the plants leaves also, we know that the leaf release air in the photosynthesis process, and leaves also waters comes out the leaves in the form of vapor by the process of transpiration. So leaves also release water by the process of transpiration. Okay, next is root. I am not explaining all this part in very deeply, because we had discussed about it lot on Google Meet. So here we are doing only summary. Okay, next is root. Okay, as we know that roots are found under the ground. Okay, roots are found under the ground. First thing you need to understand, when we water a plant, we give a water into the soil. Okay, we give water into the soil, and root absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Okay, so there are two types of root. This is the ground, it is a fibrous root, and it is a tap root. There are two types of root. Okay, fibrous root and tap root. In the fibrous root, the plants, the root start grow at the end of the ground separately. Okay, every root is grows separately, and the fibrous root are found in our onion. अनियन के आपने पीछे के साइड में देखा हो तो छोटे छोटे रेशे से निकले होते, दैट इज अ fibrous root. Okay, and the tap root, it has a one main root and other small roots grow attached to it. This is called tap root. Okay, there are two types of tap root, fibrous root and tap root. There is a one connection between venation and the root. Okay, a plant which has a fibrous root, that type of plant will have parallel venation. Okay, it will have parallel venation. सो अगर हम लीफ देख रहे हैं कि अगर किसी प्लांट की लीफ में पैरेलल वेनेशन है, तो ये हमें पता चल जाएगा कि इसका रूट कैसा होगा, फाइब्रस रूट. If the plant has a if the leaves have reticulate venation, okay, then it will have टैप रूट. ओके, अगर किसी भी प्लांट में इस टाइप का वेनेशन है, रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन है, देन इट विल हैव टैप रूट. ओके, दिस इज योर रूट. next is flower. Okay, we have seen so many flowers. So flower has a petals, sepals, okay, and stamen, pistil. Stamen has two part also, anther and filament. Okay, flower is a reproductive part of the plant and it has found ovary, pistil. In the pistil we will found stigma, style and ovary. Okay, if we will cut the ovary, this will look like this, ovules. Okay, so this is your flower parts. Okay, there are petals, sepals, okay, anther. हैव यू, अगर आप किसी भी फ्लावर को लो तो उसमें ये फ्लावर्स के जैसे रोजेस में बीच में निकले हुए रहते हैं वाइट वाइट अलग थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, एंड उनके ऊपर ऐसा ये स्ट्रक्चर होता है. ये है आपका स्टेमेन. स्टेमेन हैज़ एंथर एंड फिलामेंट. ओके, so this was your lesson 7, and next video we will do the exercises of this chapter. Okay, so thank you. This is the summary of the lesson 7. If there is any confusion you can ask me personal. Okay, thank you class.